get active early, because if I don't get active early, the day goes by and I don't get active at all. Today is leg day. Later on, we have a basketball session. Let's get the day started. All right, great gym session today. It was pretty quick. We didn't do too many workouts, but the workouts we did were intense, and I ended up having a pretty decent sweat running from my body. But I have a session today at 10, and then I'm supposed to have a session later on today, 6:30. But it may rain. Hopefully, it does not. I'm gonna get some stuff done before I have to go to that session. First, I need to make sure I get some protein in me, because I tend to go through my day without getting the protein in. So I have to get my eating back up, have to get my nutrition back up. Hopefully I can get to a point where being a little bit more consistent, I kind of struggle, and it has a lot to do with my schedule. So in the mornings, I usually do my whey protein. Or we don't have any almond milk. So we don't have any milk. So today is gonna be a water day. So I'm not gonna be getting as many calories as I normally would with this. So that means I gotta bulk up the rest of my day. Now, if I was like leaning out and I was trying not to lose weight, I would definitely be okay with doing water. But since I'm trying to bulk, I feel like a lot of people do it dirty. I don't like doing it dirty. I like doing it clean. I like the feeling of feeling like chiseled. I don't like the feeling of feeling like heavy and, you know, like I can't move and I can't run. I still want to be able to be active. What's up, Chris? Yeah.
What you doing about 12 o'clock? You think you can take me to drop the truck off?
All right, so there goes one more thing added to my plate today. All right, we're gonna do a right hand jog, launch off that left foot when the ball's in my right hand. Good. That was much better. That was quicker. The ball out, you're reaching. Left our session, basketball session. Now, it was a good session. Now I'm about to head off. Carter has to go to camp. I gotta go take Papa to get his car fixed. Okay? All right, it's hot out here though. You hot? You sweating? All right. You going to practice? All right, we're dropping Carter off. Just made it home, and I'm about to head over to Papa's house. Get in here. Make sure there's no food and stuff that's available, that's like reachable for the dogs. Okay, all that's trash. Okay, let's clean it up because the dogs can't have chocolate chips. Does she have some? No, I'm good. I got everything done. Oh. So, when you're jabbing like that, I'm trying to keep the ball behind, but I want to always square up. I always want my feet to be square. All right, always get back to this position. All right, so I actually did not finish the vlog yesterday, and I ended up sitting here doing a little bit of work, getting some videos up for social media, got some stuff up for a couple of different Instagram pages and TikToks. After that, I watched not the Game of Thrones, House of Dragon. The day has started all over again. It's now early in the morning, and I need to put my shoes on because my neighbor Jason are probably outside waiting for me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.